This protocol is an efficient method for the synthesis of aminated tropone derivatives. These compounds can serve as synthetic intermediates for the synthesis of structurally complex amines. An advantage of this technique is that the azomycyl addition can be accomplished in a solvent-free process with many amine substrates. This simplifies reaction setup and product isolation.
Add a PTFE magnetic stir bar, 150 milligrams of tricarbonyl tropone iron, and 0.154 milliliters of phenylethylamine to a 1-gram vial. Cap the vial under an air atmosphere and commence magnetic stirring. Monitor the reaction periodically by removing a small aliquot from the reaction mixture, dissolving in deuterated chloroform, and acquiring a proton NMR spectrum. Observe for disappearance of the signals for tricarbonyl tropone iron in the proton NMR spectrum. Upon their disappearance, purify the crude reaction mixture via chromatography on basic alumina. Pack a 30 mm diameter chromatography column with alumina and hexanes. Apply the crude reaction mixture to the top of the column. Elute the column with 1:1 hexanes to diethyl ether to remove the excess phenylethylamine from the column. Monitor the elution via thin layer chromatography. After the excess amine has finished eluting, change the eluting solvent to 1:1 diethyl ether to methylene chloride to elute the product. Add a PTFE stir bar, 0.021 milliliters of O-toluidine and 1.0 milliliter of